Hi everyone, Peter from GWH. The best thing about June Update is we're on the top. Big news is stage 1 is topped out and now we're busy getting all the internal ready for completion in spring. All apartments in stage 1 are all complete up to level 9. In the tower, the installations of tiling, flooring and kitchens are all in progress from level 10 to level 15. With the framing and sheeting being installed on level 17 and 18, the team are extremely excited that we now get the first look at our large combo and penthouse apartments. With only 15 apartments remaining in stage 1 and already 65% sold in stage 2, to book your private appointment in our display suite, visit the website or call the number.